Good wet Wednesday morning here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. It's another donation day. And whatever else I can think of today. On the way back to donating plasma. So let's get it going. As I sit in the van. A bit of a mess. Wednesdays are kind of the rush day for me because I get up half an hour later than I normally would. It's supposed to rain most of on and off the day, so hopefully it stays like this till I get home. And apparently it's a bonus day because it's the second. Normally it is a bonus day because it's the second day I'm going to be able to donate, hopefully. But also, apparently they have another bonus going on. So if I successfully donate today, I get 95 to 70. So that's an extra thing. I don't see many issues. Same thing last time. I didn't have any issues today. Magical bicyclist. So, few updates. There's been a discussion going around. As I've said, we live in Brookfield. My mom lives in Florida. She pays for the major issues of the house. But we've had some issues that come up, and she can't really afford both her place in Florida and her place down here. And the discussion that's been going on has been the fact that maybe it's time for me, my wife, and my stepson Jimmy to think about moving. And my mom, if she wants to sell the house eventually. I have a feeling it looks like it's raining again. Sell the house eventually, and that's a given. It's just a matter of when. It's what it is, and who knows? I may end up, if everything works out the way I want it to, the daily vlogs may not be as daily as they will be or early as they are. It might be later on, like in the afternoonish, or on certain things where this might be a vlog, because of if wherever we move, because we're planning on moving we'd like to move out of Wisconsin. I mean, the ultimate thing would be to move to Florida, but I have a certain issue with Florida, and it has nothing to do with I don't like Florida. I'll just won't discuss the rest of that. But there are certain states I'd also like to move to that would be better for me, and it's also be able to get a job. Now, with that being said, the move's not going to happen soon. I mean, we still got some time to think about it, but one of the reasons moving was good is kind of the reason why my mom moved is because the house we live in currently has way too many memories of my dad and way too many memories of my grandparents. So, like I said, with that being said, the move is a thought that's it's kind of in the back of my mind, and where to move is the next step. So instead of me rambling on, let's give you some quick updates, and then after that I'll see you in the next shot. So the Florida trip was going to originally then be moved to August, but we realized that one key problem is the fact that if it does that, I'll miss my wedding anniversary, and I really don't want to miss that. And two, so it's back to where it was. There's already been planned on what I'm going to be vlogging about while I'm there. I have some stuff in my mind, and my mom's going to take me to different places down there. So we'll see that. The office is looking good. Now I know what you're thinking. If I'm planning on moving, why would I really want to work on making the office mine? But the problem is because there's no telling when it's going to happen. It's going to happen, but there's no telling when. So in the meantime, I might as well just make that office room mine, and it is looking pretty good. I did towards the end of yesterday's vlog a little bit about it. I'll probably do more on it today as I go through more stuff. So I'll see you in the next shot. Alright, so we're here at the Plasma Center, and I drove with my lights off. So. And hopefully I can donate today. So, with all the checks and everything, I should hopefully be able to donate. So I'll see you in the next shot.
A few moments later.
Again, when those are successful donation, I can't go back until Monday of next week. So, but to have two successful donations in a week is a good thing, because one, more money. They always pay a little bit extra if you have on your second donation, successful donation, I should say. Other nice thing about this place is there's something called a SPE. SPE. I used to know what it stood for, but I don't remember it. But basically, if you come in, they take a sample of your blood, and then they looks nasty. And then they send it up to a lab to test your protein and all the good stuff. So now, BioLife, and I'm also assuming CSL doesn't pay you a dime for that. It's not really a donation. It's a blood draw. Rifles actually pays you $10 for it. So I have no problem with that. This time around, though, I think for the month of June, or just because they have an extra $25, so $45 plus a $25 bonus from a second donation of the week, plus another $25 to make it $75, make it $95 total, plus $1.30 $636 I had left from Monday's donation gave me $96.35. Now, sometimes these places also have giveaways. So the more entry and successful donations you have for the month, the more entries you have for a giveaway. So, I don't know if they have one this month, but they do, excuse me. The nice thing is now, the next 2 days, I get to stay up a little bit later. Because, I stay up a little later Monday because I can't do it on Tuesday, and then I go to bed early on Tuesday because I have to be up on Wednesday, and then I can stay up later today, stay up later tomorrow, stay up later Friday, and stay up later Saturday. Here, look at the weather. I mean, it is disgusting out today. It's dark. You're supposed to get some pretty bad storms sometime today too, so I'll see you. That ends it for today's video. It started to downpour on my way home, so I'm kind of wet, but still got some donation money. Another fresh batch of plasma left my body today. Today's special closing guest is, come on, you know you want to, Dexter Kitty. Here you. This is one of my mom's little guys. This is Dexter. Yes. Hi, say hi to everybody, Dexter. Okay. So without further ado, Road to Where the Stories Are. Peace out, stay frosty. See you in the next one.